Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. I have a little surprise video for you. So if you remember my last video where I reviewed this bad boy, the Force1 f100 Ghost brushless drone. It comes with a little action cam that you can mount on the bottom. I modded that mount so it can take a GoPro Hero 7, which is what the camera that I use for all of my videos. So I can put it on there and get some awesome 4K 60 frames per second video. I just went out and took this thing up with the GoPro on it in 4K 60 frames per second to get the sunset. It is so amazing that I had to show it with you. I know I haven't even done a flight review of this thing yet, but I have to post this first. The video after this will be a flight test. Please enjoy this amazing footage of a sunset shot 100% with this.
Anywhere you go, give it